there, welcome back to my kitchen. I am serving Nimona for lunch. It's a winter special recipe from Uttar Pradesh made with fresh sweet peas. A simple comfort food that you'll be able to make easily and enjoy with your folks. Shall we begin? Do subscribe for easy, tried and tested recipes. 2 cups of fresh sweet peas. I'll reserve a bit and put most of it into a mixer jar and grind coarsely. So this is how it looks, and there's no need to add any water. 2 medium-sized potatoes sliced. I'm using the newly harvested ones. 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. I've heated it up and I'll fry the potatoes till they get a nice color on them. You could deep fry the potatoes, or you could even add boiled and sliced potatoes if you don't want the extra oil. So the potato slices have a nice reddish brown color on them, and it's time to get them out. The potatoes are partially cooked. We'll keep them aside, and in the same pan, let's add in the peas. Lower the heat and cook the peas till they are dry. I'm using a non-stick pan. You could use a pan that has got a thick or a heavy bottom, and keep the heat on low. That's the trick. So this has been cooking for about 3 minutes now, and it's dried up quite a bit, but I'll cook it for some more time. So this has been cooking for 5 minutes now, and look how the paste has transformed into a crumble. So when it becomes crumbly like this, you know that this is done. And I'll turn off the heat and take it out. Just a handful of coriander leaves. This is a small bunch. And I'll just stir it up roughly and put it in the mixer jar. So I'm reusing the same jar in which I had the peas. It's always good to save water. And then I have 2 medium-sized tomatoes that I have sliced. This will also go in to the jar. 1 green chili. You could add in more, but don't get carried away with the chili. 1/2 inch of ginger sliced, and 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Add water if required. Make it into a smooth paste. That's done. I've added 1 tablespoon of mustard oil in the same pan and let that heat up. Temper with 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera and a large pinch of hing, asafoetida. Add in the prepared paste. And cook this till the raw smell of the ginger and garlic goes away. If you do not eat garlic, you can skip it totally and add a bit more of the ginger in its place. That smells good to me. 1/2 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala powder, just a pinch of turmeric haldi powder, and a teaspoon of chaat masala powder. Cook this briefly. Add in the whole peas along with a bit of salt. Cover and cook for a minute. Let's check on it. Time to add in the peas that we cooked earlier. Cook the paste along with the whole peas for a minute. Then add in about 2 cups of water. I just washed the mixer jar. Don't want to lose out on any flavor. Break up the lumps. Add in the fried potatoes. These are almost done, but they'll cook along with the gravy and absorb all the flavors. Adjust the water according to how thick or thin you want the gravy to be. So I'll just bring that to a boil. Lower the heat to absolute minimum. Cover it and cook on low heat for about 5 minutes, stirring up once or twice in between. Checking after 5 minutes. So I did stir it up once in between. That looks really nice. I'll check the seasoning. Adjust it. Let it boil for a minute. If you like the video, share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comment section. The potatoes are perfectly cooked. That's done. I'll turn off the heat and add in a bit more of chopped coriander leaves. That's ready to serve. Garnish with coriander leaves. Serve it hot with rice, roti or paratha and enjoy.